Hope you're ready for another exciting episode of Country Boy Auto Supply. We're in Country Boy Auto, and I am your country boy. And tonight, we'll be talking about Equinox, the aftermath. So, we have the Equinox put together. It's been a week and about, 450 miles later, and, let's see how it's doing. I realized in my last video that it was running a little loud and noise and stuff, and I never show y'all how it smoothed out, so let's see how it runs. So as you can see, we have 103,000 miles on it, almost 104. It's not really that old. Let me get the camera outside as I start it up, and y'all can hear what it sounds like. It's a little windy, but you'll get the point. Let's turn it on. You hear that? So, you get the purge back with a little bit of driving. What happened, you take the oil pump off when you take the timing cover off. The oil pump is in the timing cover, and you pretty much, purge all of the oil out the engine when you do that. So, it's gonna have to run at speed for a second with a load on it to fill that void with oil. But once it fills that void with oil, it fills the lifters up and it goes back to being the Ecotec. People, this your country boy Trey. We back. We ain't in the lab just yet. I'm in Project Equinox 1 week after I done the cam phaser and timing and everything. And let me tell y'all folks, she running good. She running smooth. She purring. We riding down a rainy road right now. So we'll take this by the shop in a few minutes, and I'm headed there right now. We're headed to Country Boy Auto Supply right at this moment. And what we're going to do is check it over, because, I don't like putting stuff out there and just waiting on it to break or waiting on something to happen or waiting on, and not knowing. I like to know what happened to my work. So we're going to check it out. But on this drive, y'all, the Equinox is winning. The Ecotec is winning. So, if yours is surging, if yours is a piece of crap, if yours is whatever, I'm here, living proof, to let you know it can be uncrapped. You're just going to have to have an uncrapped mechanic to get that straight for you. So I'll hit y'all up in a second when we get to the shop. Complete side journey back to the lab, and hey, she running good. She running smooth. I hope I had myself in frame when I was pointing it down. Might not, but hey, y'all can see me now. So I know I'm telling y'all it's running good. I know I'm telling y'all it's running smooth. I know I'm telling y'all it's not bucking, jumping, or anything like that. So I'm going to show y'all what I can show y'all now, so you just don't have to take my word for it. I'm excited, though. We'll start with it right here. There's no check engine light. So that means there are no codes. Alright. Let's go ahead and let y'all hear what it sounds like. Look, I bet you I'm close to it. Closer than I ever been. I bet you hit traffic over it. I bet you can hit traffic over it. Now we're in the country, so it's loud. It's quiet out here. Shit, traffic. You hear traffic 5 miles away. I'm gonna pop the hood. Give me a second. Yeah, I popped the hood, and I'll let you hear it unmuffled by the hood, because I think in the first startup video the hood was up anyway. But on the first startup video, the camera was 10-12 feet away. You hear that? You hear that? Just like a clock, y'all. So the Ecotec can be fixed. You just gotta fix it. Country Boy out.